The XL404 is fully prepared to fit into the smart factory concept. A standard OPC UA server permits press parameters to be passed to a SCADA or historian system. Advanced capabilities further leverage data through secure cloud solutions for OEE assessment, predictive maintenance, and data sharing with external systems. At the heart of the control system is a Siemens SIMOTION controller, which merges PLC and motion controls in a single integrated system. The Advanced Control System interface provides an intuitive operating environment and a Smart-Touch HMI. It is available in a Siemens PLC platform. HMI environment offers a comprehensive onboard help capability, which includes a vast array of multimedia help files to present procedures and to support the operations and maintenance. The proven PharmaControl press force control system monitors individual compression forces and provides feedback to the dosing cam for precise tablet weight control. KORSCH PharmaView is an interactive operational assistant based on Microsoft HoloLens augmented reality technology. The smart glasses beam holograms and additional information into the user's actual visual axis, enabling guided hands-free setup, operation, or maintenance support.